Hi! So welcome to this room redecorating video. Is that a word? I don't know. Basically we have this little guest room that is used mostly for storage of stuff that we have no clue where else to put, and it's such a mess. Like, look at it. Currently just paintings on the floor, shoes, random stuff, yoga mats, and just clothing that I need to sell. This random painting that I started like a year ago or so. It's just not very ideal. That's the only space that I have to paint or draw or do whatever, but it's very not functional. So the plan is I bought some paint. We are going to cover this little yellow section white. This wall is going to be very dark red, and just like make it a space to create stuff and be comfortable. Yep. Okay, so the first step is going to empty this little wardrobe, which has like childhood stuff, hair dyes, random books and stuff. So let's just do that. So apparently I'm a holder, especially a packing supply holder. Like, what? Yeah. Okay, so today painting, but first let me show you the little pillow. I'll show you better when it's all done, but pretty happy with it. It's quite round and it's soft. So happy. Okay, so today I'm going to paint this wall dark red, and I'm going to continue painting this door white. I'm taking a little break from painting because I'm super sore and that really leads to something that I wanted to share with you. I know before starting the makeover of this room, I watched a lot of videos of people like room makeover, redoing my bedroom or whatever to get myself motivated to start and inspired. And all of these people, they did that so quickly, it seemed so easy, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know when I started, maybe 2 weeks ago or something, and I'm nowhere near done. And I know that at some point at the beginning, when I saw how much time I was taking doing all of this, I felt a bit like, well, that didn't make me feel so good, because I was like, why is it so easy for everyone? And it's taken me a million years. But the point is, what do I want to say? The point is, I think many people that film those makeover videos get some help from friends or family and don't necessarily show it all the time. And some of them just it's way easier for them to do those things quickly and everything, and it's okay. I'm a bit slower than I would like, and if this taught me everything doing this room, so I'm not as strong and energetic as I thought I was, or as I wished I was, and that's okay. I'm just gonna take more time doing this, even though I would have wished it took only a week or so. But yeah, I don't know. Finally, this took forever with the brush that I had.
from beneath the sand. Please don't take me close, seem so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away.
So it's done finally. I'm so happy about it. It's much more functional and in my opinion so much prettier. You can say that about a room, I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm so happy. Didn't film any before of the room, so you only have the footage at the beginning because I was just like so excited to start. I just didn't thought of doing that, so I'm just gonna show you around now. Okay, so this is the cool part about this bookshelf. So I think it's just a regular drawer. Then, ta-da! It's also a table. That is so cool. Here I put mostly things for sewing. Well, everything I put in there is for sewing. Some zippers, ribbons, and elasters. This is for buttons and hook and eye closures. My threads. Here are pins, seam ripper, and measuring stuff. I also have my calculator and my notebook in which I write all my little sewing projects. Then the desk area. I wanted it to be something that I could move if I needed more space. That's why I went with a wooden board and some trestles. And this little chair that I sanded and then tinted the wood. Little pillow. Is it called an easel or something? I think it's gonna stay here for now. And it looks cute there too, so yeah. Here you have a little postcard from McFryden, which I love. That's where the bed used to be. So I could not get rid of the bed, instead moved it here and changed all the pillows that I'd hated. So most of them were already existent. I just covered them with some velvet and made some pillowcases, but some I created from scratch, like this little one, this one as well. Yeah, I think this is cool, like with the green from the plants. So yeah, I'm very happy that I got around to redo this room. It's gonna be so much more functional now, and hopefully I can soon make some sewing videos because I would love to do that. I have no clue how to work around a pattern, so I will have to figure that out first. But yeah, and it's very echoey, so I might have to find a way to fix that. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!